I am trying the viral sock curls with previously curled hair. So I kind of went crazy and did my regular heatless curler rod last night, and my hair was like crazy curly this morning, and now it's the end of the day and it's still pretty curly. So let's try the sock curls. If you follow Matt Loves Hair, he did a technique where it's great for side sleepers. So basically the socks are up here as opposed to down here because I am a side sleeper and it feels like that would be more comfortable. So let's give that a go. First, we're gonna go ahead and section off the hair into 2 equal parts. I'm just gonna go down the middle, tie off one side while we work on the other. So we're going to take the open end of the socks, put it in our mouth, and then wrap the hair around, and then we're going to fold this inside out, like you're folding socks, and it's going to stay on our head. So let's try it.
After brushing out the hair, hold it up in a high, tight ponytail. Place the open end of the sock in your mouth. Tightly pull the socks and then wrap your hair all the way around as closely as you can until you reach the end of the sock. Once there's no more hair to wrap around, release the end of the sock that's in your mouth.
Once you have that, take the end and you're going to turn it inside out over the end that's loose, which can be a little bit tricky, so take your time. And reach in, grab it around, and then loop it through. Tuck the hair in, and there's one side. Let's do the other side. This looks so crazy, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep with this bonnet to keep the hair in place. I have a pretty good feeling they are not gonna stay in place once I lay down. So let's tuck both ends in, get it around the head, nice and secure. Again, this should be hopefully really comfortable to sleep in overnight, but I let you know. And I look like I'm gonna go bake some cookies, but I'm not, I'm gonna go to sleep. So let's see you tomorrow.
It's 6 a.m. the next morning, and the curls stayed in place all night thanks to the bonnet. When you're taking the curls out, be very gentle and slowly unwrap the hair that's around the socks. Use your fingers to gently tousle through and then take out the other side. Right away, I'm noticing that my hair is staying pretty curly and is a little bit frizzy, but that's to be expected since they were in fuzzy socks all night.
Okay, it's been about 3 hours because I took off the sock curls at 6 a.m. Sorry, I was not in the mood to speak at the time to the camera, but this is what my hair looks like. It's settled down. I was really worried when I first took them out because my hair was really, really frizzy, but I am getting ready for the day. So this is what it looks like with me not touching it since this morning, but I am going to add some hair oil to this just to kind of take more of that frizz out as well. And especially with the ends, and just run my fingers through. I do like the curl, I want to keep it, but I just need to keep it a little bit managed. And then get that top, see at the back. Here this is. Let me know what you think of this style and if you'll try it. And also if there's any other hairstyles or tutorials you want to see. You know, I do have a fun passion for hair and trying new things, so please let me know in the comments.